Welcome to this minimalist industrial house, small yet striking, where bold architectural elements meet sleek minimalism to redefine small space living. From its modern exterior to its thoughtfully curated interiors, this home proves that size doesn't limit style or functionality. In this video, we'll explore every detail of its design, from the bold facade to the serene outdoor spaces, offering a harmonious blend of industrial charm and contemporary comfort. This house isn't just a structure, it's a lifestyle statement. Through its clever use of space, raw materials, and minimalist finishes, this home demonstrates how industrial design can create a living space that is as stylish as it is practical. Let's take you on a journey through this architectural masterpiece. The exterior of this house sets the tone with its striking industrial facade. Exposed concrete walls and dark steel accents create a bold, modern look. Oversized windows with black metal frames flood the interior with natural light, breaking up the rawness of the facade with a softer touch. A minimalist landscaping approach emphasizes the home's clean lines and urban appeal, blending gravel paths with potted greenery. This small industrial home features a seamless connection between the built environment and its surroundings. The use of industrial materials like weathered steel and natural wood accents highlights the balance between toughness and warmth, giving the house its inviting yet edgy character. The entrance makes a dramatic statement with a sleek, oversized pivot door that adds a contemporary edge. The use of raw materials, like textured concrete steps and black metal railings, welcomes you with an industrial flair. A minimalist canopy shades the entryway, providing both function and a touch of modern sophistication. Stepping into the home, you're greeted by a sense of openness and continuity. The door opens into a transitional space that hints at the design language of the interiors. Clean lines and subtle textures create an understated introduction, preparing you for the dynamic spaces that lie within. The living room embraces the industrial aesthetic with polished concrete floors and an exposed brick feature wall. A modular leather sofa adds comfort, while black metal lighting fixtures create bold focal points. A neutral color palette, punctuated by earthy tones and textures, ensures the space feels warm and inviting despite its rugged materials. The open layout allows light to flow freely, making the living room feel larger than it is. Industrial-style shelving, decorated with plants and minimalist decor, reinforces the theme while adding personality. It's a space designed for both relaxation and social connection. The interior design celebrates minimalism without sacrificing functionality. Glass partitions framed in black metal separate spaces, maintaining openness while defining boundaries. The neutral tones of the walls, combined with the earthy textures of wood and concrete, create a cohesive aesthetic. Every element serves a purpose, reflecting a less is more philosophy. Built-in storage solutions maximize space, keeping the home clutter-free. Subtle industrial touches, such as exposed ductwork and sleek hardware, elevate the overall look. The kitchen is a masterpiece of industrial design. Stainless steel countertops and matte black cabinetry create a sleek and modern workspace. Open shelving made of reclaimed wood adds warmth and character, while pendant lights with Edison bulbs illuminate the area with a vintage industrial vibe. Despite its compact size, the kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances and smart storage solutions. The balance between functionality and style is evident, making it a space where cooking becomes an experience rather than a chore. The dining room is an intimate yet stylish space. A reclaimed wood dining table takes center stage, paired with industrial-style metal chairs for a cohesive look. The large window beside the dining area brings in ample natural light, creating a sense of connection to the outdoors. The decor remains simple, with a single pendant light hanging above the table, adding a touch of drama. This dining area reflects the home's minimalist ethos, focusing on quality materials and clean design. The outdoor space is a private urban retreat. A concrete patio houses a fire pit, surrounded by minimalist outdoor furniture. Potted plants and vertical greenery soften the industrial materials, creating a serene environment for relaxation or entertaining. This area exemplifies the home's seamless integration of indoor and outdoor living. It's a perfect spot to unwind, bridging the industrial design elements with the calming influence of nature. The bedroom balances industrial ruggedness with cozy minimalism. Exposed concrete walls serve as a dramatic backdrop, while soft linens and warm lighting add a touch of comfort. A simple platform bed and built-in storage keep the space functional and uncluttered. Large windows frame views of the outdoor space, further enhancing the room's connection to its surroundings. The minimalist approach ensures the bedroom is a calming sanctuary within this industrial-themed home. The bathroom is a continuation of the home's design philosophy. A walk-in shower with black metal framing complements the concrete and tile surfaces. Industrial-style faucets and fixtures in matte black enhance the overall aesthetic. Despite its compact size, the bathroom feels luxurious, thanks to thoughtful details like a floating vanity and well-placed lighting. It's a space designed for both function and style. The lounge is a versatile space, perfect for reading or casual gatherings. A minimalist sofa paired with a steel coffee table reflects the industrial theme, while a floor-to-ceiling bookshelf adds a touch of intellectual charm. This space exemplifies the home's adaptability, serving as a quiet retreat or an additional social hub. The design keeps it connected to the overall aesthetic while adding a unique touch. The outdoor dining area is a highlight of this home. A concrete dining table surrounded by sleek metal chairs offers a modern yet inviting space for alfresco meals. String lights overhead create a warm and festive ambience, perfect for evening gatherings. This area captures the essence of industrial minimalism while emphasizing functionality. It's a true extension of the home, seamlessly blending the indoors with the outdoors. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Minimalist Industrial House, small yet striking. This home proves that even small spaces can make a big impact when designed with intention and creativity. From its bold exterior to its thoughtfully curated interiors, this house is a testament to the beauty of minimalist industrial design. We hope this journey has inspired you to explore the possibilities of small space living. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stunning home designs. Until next time, stay inspired.